starts now. I'm a little prepared today as far as clothes. I'm wearing lighter clothes, but I'm still hot. And I don't have my external microphone, so I'm going strictly off of the camera microphone, so hopefully it sounds alright. Plus my voice is actually going in and out because of my cold, so I hope you can understand what I'm saying. That was a nice leisurely walk to the beach, very short, although I did slip. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have any external mic right now, and I'm losing my voice due to my cold, so it's not so very windy right now, so hopefully my voice is carrying over. So the beach is pretty spacious, however on that side it's a nude beach, so we have to walk over the side. Holy moly! Look at that! Look at that! Yay! Yay! All right, heading back. And I highly recommend Alexandria Beach if you come and visit the Sunshine Coast. Just keep in mind that a part of the beach is a nude beach, but pretty spacious. The other side of the beach is where the surfers are at. It's great to just watch them in action. So we are right back at the beginning of the trail. I really like this walk. It's not really a hike. It's short, and Alexandria Beach is beautiful and not as crowded, but as we were leaving there, it was filling up, so get there early, claim your spot. My only gripe about the trail is that most of it is sand, and so as you're walking it feels like you're trudging on sludge because your feet sort of drops out from underneath you. So just be aware of that. Otherwise, love this walk. Beachside, and it is warm and it is sunny out. This is Australia.
Yes.
We tried to catch the sunset here at Noosa, but I just can't move fast enough. So we're trying to get the remainder of whatever golden light, golden hour we can capture via the drone. We didn't quite catch the light, and so now we are going to head back to Brisbane and explore the city further at night. We are now at Brisbane's downtown. All the stores, or I'm going to say 99% of the stores, are closed. It's around 7 p.m., but it's still very bright out here. Brisbane is a beautiful city, and it's actually pretty large. Well, this is coming from someone who lives in a 7 mile city like San Francisco. And I envy the fact that they have pretty bridges like these. Well, it's because they have rivers. I'm from the city by the bay, but it reminds me so much of Europe, seeing these types of structures. We are currently walking Brisbane's South Bank, and it is a beautiful night for walking. It's breezy but not windy. It's cool but not cold. One of the challenges in Australia is the business hours they keep. It's not as late as I'm used to. So restaurants are very few and far between that would be late, that would be open late, or at least past 10 o'clock. Back at our lodging and our last night here in Brisbane. Oh my gosh, I think I'm more tired this last 2 days compared to all the days of this trip combined. I mean, it was wall-to-wall activity. My legs are burning right now. But my cousin really outdid herself with touring us around, driving us around everywhere, putting together all our activities, from what to see, where to eat, all that timing. So I'm completely grateful, and I love the fact that she really took care of us. I mean, she's family, but you know, not all family are all created equal. She really took care of us and made us feel so at home. But I'll see her again, since she does visit the Bay Area often. I'm not sure if I can pack tonight because I'm so tired. And I'm pretty much packed anyway. I just gotta throw toiletries and a couple of clothes around, but it should be okay. Flying back to Sydney tomorrow, mid-morning, so we should be there early afternoon, and we're just gonna do some last-minute souvenir shopping, because I haven't really bought anything. I'm trying to keep my luggage a certain weight throughout this entire trip because of the multiple flights. I just didn't want to bother with extra weight or extra baggage. And then the day after tomorrow, then we fly home. Our trip will be officially over. But Brisbane, didn't know what to expect, but very beautiful, very livable as well. So I'm going to end this video at this point. Please be sure to click the subscribe button below. And from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.